It's been a really interesting process becoming involved with the Melbourne punk community. You know, it's been 3 years, and in that time I've made lots of really great friends and had some fantastic experiences. I have this kind of symbiotic relationship with other artists. So, you know, whether it's shooting musicians or whether it's shooting street art, you know, it's about conveying other people's art and documenting that. I was shooting for about 6 months and I thought I need to start doing something with these photos. So I started a website called Sub-V 2.0 Photography. And pretty much most of the shows, if not all of the shows that I shoot, I now post photos up on there, as well as updates about what's happening in terms of future shows and things like that. The Passion for Punk book is a book of photos specifically of Melbourne live punk performance. I always thought I wanted to do a book, but never quite got the guts up to do it. Then last year, an old mate of mine killed himself and really quite knocked me about. I struggled for a little while about, you know, what I could do. I felt quite helpless. Good friends of mine, Mick and Casey, who play with Strawberry Fizz-Cake, they also put on a lot of shows, jumped on board and put together a fundraiser to help fund the publishing costs. 6 months later, we released the book and, yeah, it's just been amazing. What started as just something that I wanted to do to, I guess, challenge my sense of helplessness has turned into something quite different in a really positive way. And it's probably reinforced some of the real positives that I feel about the Melbourne punk community too. It's about the discussions that have kind of come out of that process as well, and about people coming and talking to other people and going, well, I've felt this way too, you know. That's been probably more important than the money that we've raised.